Buongiorno food lovers from all over the world! Summer is coming and it's time to eat something easy, quick and fun. I'm about to prepare a very popular street food we have in Italy, Piadina Romagnola. Simple and soft flatbread to be filled with creamy cheese, ham and vegetables. No limits to creativity. I'm Gisella and this is my kitchen. I like to spend time cooking and to teach some Italian recipes time by time. So, let's go! Flatbread is not something just Italian. Flatbread is one of the most ancient recipes in the history of humankind. It's also the easiest type of bread to prepare. Many cultures around the world keep making use of flatbread, having different names, slightly different recipes, and a large range of tastes and texture. So there's a huge variety of pita, tortilla, Arab bread, chapati, naan. And in Italy we have piadina, which was a food of the poor people at the beginning and today has become one of the most popular street food. The most common way to eat Piadina Romagnola is to fill it with tasty cream cheese and local charcuterie. People loving healthy food are also used to fill it with fresh vegetables. I will try out two flavors, squacquerone cheese and dried cured ham, and burrata, cherry tomatoes and arugula. Making piadina at home is very easy and fun. Now, before starting to cook, let's have a quick look at the ingredients. As first, we will use 3 cups of all-purpose flour. A second, 0.8 cup of lard. Half cup of water. And finally, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Are you ready to start? Okay people, now I'm ready and I will show you this because it's very simple. I just take my bowl of flour and I add all the ingredients little by little and I work it until the dough is ready. Water needs to be added little by little. Now I remove it from the bowl and I keep on working on the work plan so you can see better how I do. Now my dough is ready, so I put it in a plastic wrap and I leave it to rest from 30 minutes to 1 hour. It's now time to shape piadina. I'm taking my dough and I'm cutting it in 4 pieces more or less same size. Now I will stretch them in a round shape using a rolling pin and a few flour. Here we go! You need to make them as thin as you can. I prepared this non-stick pan very hot. And now I take my piadina and I cook into it. Just 2 minutes each side. We are ready to fill piadina. As you see, they are still soft enough to roll things inside. In the first one, I will put some dried cured ham and squacquerone cheese. In the second one, I will put burrata, cherry tomatoes, and a little bit of rucola. A little bit of olive oil will be perfect. My piadina are finally ready! It's better to taste piadina as soon as possible when ready, so just time for a short goodbye. I'm working to provide more ways to enjoy my videos. At the moment, an Instagram TV channel has been set up aside my YouTube channel, Eat Like an Italian. Don't miss to subscribe your favorite platform and buon appetito!